Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel RST9454. If you're tired of searching for tutorials that either go over your head or leave you wanting more, you've come to the right place. Here, I strive to provide easy-to-follow and comprehensive lessons on a wide range of topics, from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap C#, VB.NET, ADO.NET, to ASP.NET Core, .NET Latest, SignalR, Kendo UI and much more. Whether you're just starting out in the world of programming or you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skills, my goal is to make learning these technologies simple and accessible. I want to take you on a journey to master .NET development, one tutorial at a time. And the learning doesn't stop there. Make sure to check out the code related to these tutorials on my GitHub page for hands-on practice. Because let's face it, practice makes perfect. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of .NET development with me and let's unlock your full potential. And remember, I'm here for you every step of the way. Have questions or suggestions? Don't hesitate to reach out. For more information, head over to our official website biharideveloper.com or simply search for Bihari Developer on YouTube. And don't forget to show your support by like, comment, and subscribe for regular updates and new tutorials. Together, we can conquer the world of .NET development. Happy learning, and let's make some magic happen. I'm Sunil Pandey from Era, Bihar. I completed my B.Tech from AKTU University and have over 4 years of experience in .NET development. Currently, I work as a senior software engineer at a multinational company where I provide .NET full-stack training and develop various types of software solutions, including ERP-based software, websites, and mobile applications.